Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I might look homeless today because we are doing some Ramzan cleaning and I have found some very precious things. Guys, you would believe this is the dress that I wore as a 1.5-year-old kid, I think. So, and I can just imagine how I would have looked in it. I mean, as you can see, the dress is whole snatched. It has all this velvet. It is all natty. You can see the sleeves here. You can see, I mean, this is the it girl dress. This is such a precious dress. I think I'll save it for my kid as well. This is the second dress. This mummy says that I wore in my chachu's wedding. I don't remember a lot wearing a lot of pieces. It has this a little bit stain here. It has this a little yellowness here. I think it's because, you know, a lot of fabric, when you keep it for a long period of time, it tends to get stains. So that is that. But as you can see, this net is still pure white as compared to this one. This one again is very nice. I have worn such nice pieces of clothes. I mean, you look at the design, man. I would have looked like a doll every day. And this one also, this is not something that I have done. ये जो पड़े पड़े हो जाता है stain, ये वो है. It has this sleeves, and I usually used to wear a lot of either mini skirts or frocks, so which is why I have a lot of them. This one so I clearly remember wearing because this was my favorite piece, and I think clearly this is not this is not what I wore as a 1.5-year-old kid, maybe 2 or 2.5-year-old kid. It used to look good on me. It used to feel good on the skin, so I think which is why I used to wear this a lot, and that is the only reason why I remember this. Okay guys, now this one I don't remember wearing, or I don't think I have any photos in it, but mummy says this was a favorite dress. This is what I used to wear a lot, but when it used to get cold, there was this small crop jacket that I used to wear on top of it. So this is the whole outfit. This dress was my ultimate favorite dress. All the pieces are almost all my favorite ones, or some mummy's favorite ones, but this and the next one that I'm going to show you is my favorite. I used to wear it when I was in 7th standard because that is when I bought it for some of mama's relatives' wedding, and I remember wearing this dress on my birthday when I was in 7th standard. I used to love it. The fabric is still the same, the color is still the same, everything is still the same. This and the purple one dress, I do remember trying it out at the shop before buying it, and this one and that purple one was my ultimate favorite. But you know what's more special about this dress? Again, this was when I was in 7th standard. This and the purple one was what I bought for a relative's wedding. These two were my most favorite dress from my 7th standard era, and this dress is very iconic. The reason is, you guys know my favorite movie is I Hate Love Story, and I wore this dress to go watch that movie in the theaters. So this is a dress that I wore when I went to the theaters to watch the I Hate Love Stories, and which is why one of my favorite dress became so iconic. I don't remember if this picture is from Saputara or from a trip to Rajasthan. I have no idea, but I know that there was this person who was making people dress in this costume and clicking photos, and my family was like, Sifa, you need to do it. For some reason they were like, you need to do it, and I was also like, yeah, it's fun. So this is what I did. So there are 4 photos. One is this. Then obviously I used to love pout, so which is why I pouted in this costume. Then this is some matka situation, and this is some ghagra situation. So that is what has happened, and I think I was either 13, 14 or 15-year-old in these pictures. I don't even remember the location. I'm confused between Saputara or Rajasthan, but I was kind of forced to do this, but I had fun. Okay guys, that was it for today's vlog. I hope you loved this, time travel thing from the past Sifa. I loved this vlog. I loved making this vlog, shooting this vlog, editing this vlog, everything. And this vlog, to be honest, is not just a vlog for me. I think this is a memory journal, a digital diary, which will be forever on the internet. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the videos. Again, sorry for the mess here, but whatever it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you all tomorrow. Bye.